All right, y'all, these are the instructions for the community service project proposal. You can open up that PDF here, and this is what you're going to be completing. With the coronavirus necessitating social distancing, community service is much more difficult to complete, and our requirements for this semester are excused. However, community service also may be needed now more than ever. With that in mind, you will complete this community service project proposal over the course of the rest of the semester. It's due May 21st, the last day of the semester. This is only a proposal. You will not be completing the service project at this time. Fill out this section here, name, hour, obviously. You're going to go, what is the project? Short description here. This is kind of what in education circles we call an abstract. Proposal details. These are essentially paragraphs that you need to write in these boxes following these instructions. Introduce your project, including at least an attention-getting first sentence, a thesis statement previewing the main points of the rest of your responses, and why you chose this project. What are the social distancing guidelines you would follow with this project? Use internet research to find what guidelines, what you need to be following, and write a paragraph detailing those guidelines and how you would follow them in the community service project. What are the community needs you're meeting with this project? So again, you'll need to do some research. What needs do communities have right now? And if other communities have those needs, does Garden City have those needs? Most likely. So cite all sources again, write a paragraph in here. What skills do you possess to help with this project? This is your own background experience with how would you help with this community service. It could be a lot of different things. Give examples of your experience using these skills. How would you complete this project? What materials, people, time, money would you need? What resources are available to you to complete it? Again, a paragraph, and then finally a conclusion. Restate your proposal with the key details to summarize the proposal. So summarize the rest of your project here, the proposal, all the details you have, summarize it in this box. Finally, here's a reference page. Use citationmachine.net, which is right here. This is what it looks like. Make sure you clicked on MLA here. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to find a website by URL. You're going to type the URL in there or copy and paste, search website. It should pop up and create an MLA citation for you automatically. That would be the nice thing. So once you have all your references, you need at least 3. I have 4 listed here if you want more. Just paste the first one in here. But like every reference page, it must be in alphabetical order by the first letter. So whatever the first letter is in the reference, that should go by alphabetical order. So here, all the way down. Okay. Most times, the first letter will be the author's name most of the time. So whatever the author's name is, if it's the last name, if their last name starts with an L and this one's an X, L comes before X all the way down. Okay. This project is due May 21st, the last day of the semester, and I will help you every step of the way. We'll have check-ins every week to see how you're doing, to see if you have any questions. If you do have any questions, email me, send a message, or remind. Thanks.